In Autodesk Maya, what's the difference between object mode, face mode, edge mode, or vertex mode? In many 3D modeling programs, including Maya, Blender, and others, polygon meshes are separated into objects and groups. When we're in object mode and we select something in Maya, it turns green. You can still see the edges and the faces, but it is an object. I can move an object around when I'm in object mode in Maya. I can also group different objects together. How do you switch from object mode to edit mode in Maya? One way to switch from object mode to edge mode is to right-click and use the pie menu. I can drag up and go to edge. Now I can select different edges inside Maya, and if I press W, I'm moving that individual edge. If I right-click, I can move to vertex mode and select individual or multiple vertices, and then I can move these. This is very convenient when editing a mesh inside Maya. I can also right-click and go to face mode. This allows me to select faces. I can move them, or I can extrude them. I can also right-click and go to multi-select. This is convenient because that way I can select faces, edges, or vertices depending on what I want to do inside Maya. There are also keyboard shortcuts between object mode and edge mode and vertex mode. On your keyboard, if you press F8, you'll be in object mode. If you press F9, you'll go to vertex mode. If you press F10, you'll be on edge selection. Remember F8, component selection, F9, vertex selection, F10 for edge selection. So hopefully now you know the difference between component selection, edge selection, and vertex selection in Maya. Happy 3D modeling!